The man named as Rokosuke Koinji, introduced to us in the start as an arrogant, self-entitled and overconfident person, which he still is, or at least seems to be. He excels in every field, including academics, sports, fighting, and has shown to have a good intuition and intelligence. I'm sure you have wondered, is he going to change? When will he become cooperative, or will he change at all? The way his character is represented, being able to match physical power with Kiyotaka, guessing the target on day 1 in volume 4, knowing the identity of X without anyone telling him, and with his intellectual level being at a high level, it seems difficult to imagine a situation for him to change, right? But before we discuss the situation, let's try to understand him a little bit more. So, Koinji is a type of person who doesn't want others to think that he is helping anyone in a sense. Like, for example, if we go to the third volume in the Uninhabited Island exam, we can see that Koinji was the first one to know about the cornfields. And at first he asked Ainokoji and Sakura what they think about the scenery because he wanted them to find it. That cornfield was a great asset in the exam, but because of his personality after they both weren't able to notice it, he didn't tell them. This incident shows that he doesn't want to go away from the personality he had already built up at the school, even for the benefit. Moreover, this incident also shows how good his observation is. Even Ainokoji wasn't able to observe it at first. Also, he did help the class more times, but if I have to discuss a time where he selflessly helped the class, then it would be in the Yamauchi incident. Other times like the second Uninhabited Island exam or in the Zodiac exam, you can say he did it just for him. But in the Yamauchi incident, he deliberately took all his anger on himself. And if you are confused why that was important, then let me tell you why. So if Koinji wouldn't have taken Yamauchi's anger on himself, then Yamauchi would have started to blame everyone in the class, which would have broken the class spirit in the future. He might have said something like,
"You all are expelling me, right? But this will happen to you too in the future exams. At that time, everyone will betray you just like me."
and stuff like that. And I don't know why he will sound like that, but that's just how I imagine he will sound like. Him saying this will plant a seed in everyone's mind that no one is a friend and that if need be, people will betray each other to not get expelled. And everyone care about themselves, which would be dangerous for their class spirit, which they need in order to grow. You get the point, right? In short, he would have made some people doubt the class and in some cases feel bad, which would not be good in the long run. So, Koinji took all his anger on him, so in the end everyone wouldn't think much of it and preserve everyone. And also to make Yamauchi look bad when he tried to attack him with a chair so that they wouldn't pay much attention to what he will say next. Does this mean Koinji will selflessly help in the future too? Or is he good in the inside? Well, that's not the important question here. The important question is what will be the circumstances that will lead to Koinji's change in behavior. So far, we have seen people get crushed and then they become stronger. But a situation where Koinji will get crushed just doesn't feel in place. Like, who would do it? The only person who seems like he can crush Koinji is Ayano. Although I would pay anything to watch the other White Room student versus Koinji, but that might not happen. So the circumstances leading to Koinji's change, will they be happening in the next special exam, that is year 2 volume 5? I mean, the special exam is hyped in a way that this will be the most difficult they have ever faced. First, I will say yes, a situation like that can arise. It seems too difficult but not impossible. But I think Koinji will change, just not like in a way you'd expect. For this, I would like to take you to Year 2 Volume 4.5, the chapter with the special event of scanning codes. This line which tells us that he paired up with Mi-chan for the event, which is a very non-Koinji thing to do. On that note, I assume you remember the time where he saved Mi-chan from angry Yosuke and was very angry with him when Yosuke hit Mi-chan. So, is Mi-chan the one who will play a key role in changing him? Yes, the way things are going, it definitely looks like it. What would happen if she were to be on the verge of getting expelled in the next special exam? We might see Koinji sacrificing his protection point or maybe him doing something else. So the next volume or maybe the sports fest, if it were to be happen, will be the point where we can see a little bit different Koinji. Or maybe he will be all the same. I mean, it's Koinji we are talking about. He is unpredictable. But I have a feeling something is going to happen soon. By the way, this is a question to you all. Do you think Koinji is really who he says he is? I mean, we don't have a confirmation of his past. For all we know, he might be lying. Well, most probably that might not be the case, but I'm just discussing a possibility. I mean, you never know. It's classroom of the elite. Anything can happen. With that said, leave your thoughts on the matter in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.